Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do a love bite. Let's see what energy wants to show through for you today, Libra. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again today. And if you're new here, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Sorry, we welcome you in. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Libra, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Okay, Libra, the Hermit is in reverse, center of my spread. Either somebody is thinking about all the foolish mistakes they've made, some unwise decisions, or maybe it's time now to end a fight and come out of hermit mode. But I have a lot of reversals here of a feminine energy who doesn't trust anymore. Oh. Okay, so this is like becoming a little bit of a burden here, Libra. I have the 10 of Wands. Somebody is not happy by the way they expected something. Maybe they expected their, the seeds that they had sown, one day the harvest will grow, I will reap the rewards of whatever I've done. Instead, I think somebody has withdrawn their love or is emotionally very unavailable. This person now doesn't, this is a feminine energy who's feeling, I don't want to have any more growth, abundance with my person. I'm not fighting for this connection anymore. I'm tired of waiting now and I want to just get out of this conflict once and for all. I don't trust this connection at all. I don't trust the promises made because they've all been broken. And yet the Death card is in reverse, which means still kind of hanging on there. I don't know what this is, Libra, for you. Let's take some dialogue message cards and see what's happening. Libra and their person, spirit, if they could say something to each other. Libra and their person. Okay. Let's take a few from here, Libra. Libra and their person. Libra and their person. And let's take a few from here, Libra. Libra and their person. Okay. All right, Libra, good to go. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, enough of divine timing already. You want to be with me, I want to be with you. Why can't we just get our shit together now? So this Hermit in reverse could be that. Somebody saying enough of us being in separation. Let's just get out of this Hermit mode. Let's end this fight now. Let's end all this conflict and, keeping barriers up now. It frustrates me that I can't connect with anyone else the way I connect with you sexually. Our sexual connection is magical and no one else compares. The endless depth of love that I have for you is a blessing. Sometimes this love feels more like a curse because I'm so focused on you, I don't see anything back from you in return. Like I said, somebody's withdrawn their energy, they're not showing their love anymore, and somebody's feeling a bit disappointed because they're not seeing, any love coming now there towards them. I get so triggered seeing you do things for the karmic that I want you to do for me. It pisses me off because we should be together. What are we wasting time for? Again, this is that same, restless energy to say, let's get out of this hermit mode and, be together. You talk with me about our future and building our life together. However, when your intentions don't align with your actions, I feel like I can't trust you. To rebuild a solid, stable foundation, integrity and consistency are essential for me to feel safe in this connection. I'm so proud of you, my love. You inspire me to be a better person. I'm working on myself and I hope that I can inspire you too. So maybe somebody is leveling up now to be the person they never were. But I don't think the feminine has any trust left here. Letting you walk away from me was my biggest regret. I should have fought for you and for us. Your love makes my day, my week, my month, my year, and my life. Nothing and no one can compare to you. My heart aches for you. You are the love of my life. I want to spend the rest of my life loving you. You're all I desire. What I'm in most in need of, you cannot give me. Honesty, integrity, truth. I think this is the feminine saying here. This you can't give me, then what's the point? All right, Libra. Let's start with our angel blessing card. Let's see if my angels can help here with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, generosity. Yes, Libra, I think you or your partner or both of you have to now be a bit generous with your emotions, with your time, your energy to get this back on track. Right? Okay, so let's start your reading. Let's see what this is. 7 of Pentacles, Spirit. What's that? 7 of Pentacles. 7 of Pentacles. Somebody wants to invest now. Somebody wants to now sow maybe new seeds to bring this connection back into being. A rebirth of a connection. Queen of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Yeah, they don't want to end this chapter with this Queen of Cups, even though right now I don't see the love being reciprocated from the other side. Somebody just doesn't want to shut this chapter. In fact, they want a rebirth. They're not happy with the way things have progressed till now. So, Queen of Cups and the Empress in reverse, Spirit. Yes, they know they've hurt their person very, very badly. They know their person is upset and angry, but they've made a decision here that they want to end this fight now. They want to move into a calmer space with their person. They want to heal this broken heart of this feminine, I think. This breakup has been very, very burdening to somebody here. Or maybe both of you. 7 of Wands in reverse, Spirit. 7 of Wands in reverse. They didn't fight. They didn't fight for this connection. They didn't fight for this connection and it came to a halt or a stagnancy. Somebody made the wrong decision here. What's this Hermit in reverse, Spirit? What's this Hermit in reverse? Maybe there were third parties. Somebody was foolish. Maybe brought third parties into the mix. Yeah, somebody was trying to be an illusionist, trying to trick the other person, maybe bring in third parties, not make a decision, not make the correct choice, didn't fight for the connection when the time was right. Now they're realizing, oh my God, that was the most unwise decision of my life. And now I think they want to end this fight. Yeah, they want to end this fight now and come charging towards their person, hoping to make it right, I feel. One more, Spirit, for the 5 of Wands. 5 of Wands. Yes, they're not happy. They're not happy that, neither of you are now really putting in any investment into this connection. They feel whatever game was played here, it kind of made them into a loser. They're feeling like a loser. They were playing some mind games, which eventually, I think, hurt the two of you. If one person was trying to win, they made the other person lose, that's for sure. The Empress is in reverse. But in this whole game that was played, both of you ended up feeling like a loser because investment stopped into this connection 100%. Now somebody wants to end this fight, wants to now move forward. but I have a feeling there's a Queen of Swords in reverse who doesn't trust this connection anymore. Queen of Swords, Spirit? Queen of Swords? Yeah, somebody wants to come, and they know that the only way, I think, to end this no communication would be, there is no communication between the two of you, right? Because somebody is upset and angry. So somebody is thinking the only way maybe I can put this right is I have to be direct now. I have to have clear communication, like instead of saying hello, just say, hey, I want to marry you or something like that. I mean, they know they have to come in clean, correct, crystal clear of their intentions. But there's a Knight of Cups in reverse, which means they don't have very good standing. They've always broken their promises in the past, right? So I don't think this Queen of Swords really trusts them. Yes, they want to bring healing to that. Yes, they want to bring healing to that. They want to request, I think, this Queen of Swords that, yes, I know I've broken all your promises. Can we heal this connection now? Can we look into the future now instead of looking back? One more. They are realizing that this imbalance has been created by them by not giving equally to the connection, or maybe breadcrumbing this feminine here. They are realizing their mistake of what they've done finally, and that's making them feel very, very restless. So what's this Death card in reverse, Spirit, finally? What's this Death card in reverse? They want a reunion. They feel their life has become stuck ever since they lost their person. Yes, they feel, same thing again. They feel this entire trick or whatever they played has backfired on them. They feel, their person has stopped fighting for this connection completely. Their feminine is now angry and upset with them, no longer wanting to grow with them. They feel that this has stopped movement. The good luck has kind of escaped them, and they don't want to let it go. They don't want this chapter to end. Why are they feeling so overwhelmed then, Spirit, with the Ten of Wands? Why are they feeling so overwhelmed? Because even though now they've made the decision, Libra, this could be you, right? Or this could be a cross watcher, I don't know. They're feeling a little overwhelmed and overstressed right now, because now they know the right choice. They know the decision that they have to make, except that now they're not sure whether the love is there anymore. So they're a little kind of frightened about that. They're not sure whether their partner will be generous enough to them and allow them to kind of speak their truth. So that's what's going on here. Somebody does want to come in and have this clear communication about, hey, you're the one for me for the long haul. Looking for this reconciliation, but realizing now that they brought a tower down because of their own unwise decisions. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Till next time then, take care. Love and light. Namaste.